My video tutorial is about removing the scary alerts, fake Windows support alerts that claim to be related to Windows or Microsoft, but these are totally fake alerts. You should not trust them. Do not ever call this fake Windows support number, which is +1 866 648 2291. Once again, this is a fake Windows support number, and you should not trust these deceptive statements. What you should do is just leave this deceptive page. Such pop-ups could be the result of certain adware currently enabled in the system. Our recommendation is that you research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.